Hello everyone, I'm Hadris with WTI and today I have this Littmann stethoscope. If you work using a stethoscope or need one for your studies, you will love this one. This belongs to my mom, but I love how good it sounds. You can hear the heart really well. I like to spend time listening to my head or my whole family because it sounds super cool. Like takum takum. And I also like that it's comfortable, doesn't pinch your ears, and is a very good size. I also think it will make a nice gift for someone we care about because it's made of very good material and can last for many years. So now you know which stethoscope to choose. And this is my point of view.